Hi, hi guys. Uh, how are you all guys doing? I hope you guys are doing so great. Well, this is Abhishek Yadav here one more time with you all, speaking here in front of the camera and in front of you all. Yeah, and both are basically same actually. Talking in front of the camera and talking with you all. I think in my perception, it's quite same. Well, yeah, I mean, I have not made any video in the past 2 weeks because being busy in works. Yeah, I was so busy. I had a lot of work to accomplish, like domestic works. Yeah, but I'm completely free now, and I'm done with all the works, all kind of works I have completed. So now onward, I'm gonna be making videos frequently on every Sunday. Yeah, I mean, I usually make video on Sunday as I used to do in previous time. Okay, so again I'll be continuing. So in today's video I won't take much time of yours. uh, Without doing any further, let's get to the main point. The purpose of making today's video. Okay, yeah, I mean the purpose of making today's video. As I realized, as I saw my many students talking and asking me that, sir, why don't you teach in Hindi, teach us in Hindi, so that we can also learn English like you. So yeah, I'm still telling that I'm not a professional, but yeah, whatever I know is quite enough for me. Okay, so yeah, as I realized, I should make some videos. I must make some videos on YouTube in Hindi, in a sequence, so that even students can learn this from me. Because yeah, I mean, many students where I teach, I'm also teaching in a school. I'm just part-time teaching there. Well, and as I got many feedbacks, like students were telling me, sir, why don't you teach in Hindi? So and that thing just hit me right. Okay, and now I'm planning to make some video even in Hindi, in a sequence, right? So as a corollary to that, I'm also thinking to make some videos in a sequence in Hindi, so that some of my students can also learn this language. Yeah, obviously, for that I'll have to purchase some accessories like board. Yeah, I mean, a whiteboard where I can teach on. Obviously I'll have to purchase many accessories, and I'll also have to design a syllabus, that how to teach and what to teach in a sequence. This is my first ever time I'm teaching in YouTube. So yeah, I'll have to do many hard works. Okay, yeah, I mean, we can say this is a hard work, right? This is hard work that I have to do. And I'm ensuring you buddies that I will definitely do all the things. Yeah, I mean, and lastly I would like to tell you about myself. Yeah, something about myself. So I always wanted to speak like native speakers, and that's the reason why I'm speaking in this way. This is not how I actually speak. Okay, I always try to speak and to sound like native speakers. I was fond of this. I was literally fond of this, and I'm still trying to speak and to be like them. How the way they speak is literally incredibly great, and that's why that accent got me all the way. Okay, then, bye bye. Let's meet in next video. If you like, then yeah, subscribe it.